I have here an eyeglass repair kit. Let's go ahead and open this so we can have a look at what it comes with. So inside the case here, as we open it up, it's got this nice piece of paper. This does tell you all of the different screws that it comes with. All these screws are in the secondary case, so it's going to keep things nice and secure. You can see there's plenty of screws for eyeglasses, as well as some replacement bridge pieces. So you're going to have everything you need there. And then over here, we've got a bunch of micro screwdrivers, Phillips, flat. We've got some tweezers and then a little micro nut driver. And then there is a little magnet right here to help hold screws as you're working on things so you don't lose them. So here on the magnet, I got a little screw. You can see if I drop it down onto there, it's going to stay attached so I don't lose that screw. So there are 8 of these precision screwdrivers. You've got 4 Phillips, those are the blue ones, and then you've got 4 flat, these are the orange ones. They have a nice non-slip design. They've got a groove built in here, and then this top piece does rotate. So as you're using it, you can hold it and twist with just your 2 fingers and keep it nice and secure without worrying about dropping it. These have a nice magnetic tip on them so that they're going to help hold the screws in place as you're working with the screws. So I've got some glasses here that the screw has fallen out. So I found a replacement inside the kit here. I'm going to get it in here and tighten it up using this kit. And just like that, I was able to fix these glasses with no issues at all. So this comes with 16 different sizes and types of screws. It is all listed on the sheet that comes inside, telling you what the lengths are, the sizes, and it does also have 12 pairs of nose pads to fit the type of glasses you are working on. So all of these screws are stainless steel, so they're going to resist any kind of sweat or rain or moisture that might get on your glasses. They're not going to rust or corrode because they are stainless steel. So this right here can also be used to help magnetize your screwdrivers if they needed the extra magnetism. And then there is an extra magnet as well, and you can use those however you need to or want to. You can see if I stick this in here, it's going to pick up a whole bunch of these little pieces because it is magnetized. So this eyeglass repair kit is super nice. It's going to come with everything you need to take care of standard eyeglasses. The screws are all stainless steel, so they're going to have a nice finish to them. They're not going to rust or leave stains on your skin or on the frames. Plus it's got all the nose pieces as well. So you've got everything you're going to need, and it's super easy to use this to repair eyeglasses.